All right, speaking of tech stuff, hey, Kirk.
Hey, let's talk about drones.
Okay,
right?
let's do it.
I mean, drones are so commonplace right now. We see them so often. A lot of people have them. And frankly, they're a lot more affordable than they ever were before. So I try to keep an eye out for drones that are maybe a little bit different, like this one. Looks a lot different, doesn't it? This is the new DJI Flip, and let me show you as I open it up. This is why they call it the Flip, because it flips open. It's compact, but then it unfolds to a full-size drone. Thing's got a 4K camera mounted on the bottom. It flies for an impressive 30 minutes on a single charge. I like that the propellers are fully guarded as well, which makes it a bit safer when flying this with kids. It's also really light at under 249 grams, which also means that it's just light enough not to require registration with the FAA. Of course, it's all about video quality. So look at this clip. I recorded this morning here in the studio. Andrea's still getting ready for the morning. Super smooth stabilization, 4K at 60 frames per second. This thing shoots really, really impressive video. You can control it from your phone, or you can control it from a DJI controller. So this is a full-size DJI controller right here, for example. But it's also a selfie drone. It kind of doubles as a selfie drone. What exactly does that mean?
Right.
Well, that means that it can fly without a controller at all. So if I hold this thing in my hand and I press the button, there's multiple different modes you can use for this. This one is literally just going to stay right here. Excuse me. Sorry, I got to get it back to the right mode.
I feel like you're very close to Andrew's face.
Okay, I've got it in the right mode now. This thing is going to hover right here and then track me with the camera by literally just flying on its own. It doesn't need, again, a controller. So as I move around, you'll notice this thing is actually tracking my face the whole time. And when I'm done in selfie mode, I put my hand underneath it and it'll land right there back in my hand.
That's incredible.
Isn't that cool?
I have not been really
nice.
fascinated with drones. This just seems so accessible to people.
Well, if you're looking for something that's a little bit maybe higher end than a beginner drone, but not a $1,000 kind of pro drone, I think this is a perfect compromise. $439 is where it starts. Depending on which accessories you get with it, it can go up from there. But yeah, I like this a lot. I mean, there's not a lot to complain about here. And I like how compact it folds if you want to pack it into a bag.
Yeah, super compact.
And it talks to you.
And it has a cool, and it has a cute little name, Kirk. What's the name?
It's the Flip. Yeah, the DJI Flip. So
I thought it was called Droney.
I think drone is one of the features,
Drone is one of the
right?
modes.
Oh.
So it has different modes. It can go straight up and shoot video of you automatically from above you. It can follow you as you're riding on a bike.
Yeah.
And then again, when you're done, you put your hand underneath it and it lands right back on your head.
Yeah, this one packs a lot of punch, I think.
Yes, it's
its
pretty
size.
impressive.
It can give you the nice, like, Beyonce blow if you want. The hair. All morning long,
I think
I've
that's
been like,
unintentional.
That's what Kirk does with his Droney.